Guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. Now guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit saved passwords inside Google Chrome. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So all you have to do, click the three that's on the upper right hand side, then click on settings. Now on the left hand side, you will have autofill and passwords. Click on that. And from here, you want to click on the password manager. You see the Google password manager, click on that. Now from here, guys, you will be able to find all of those passwords that you have on your computer, right? So if you have a lot of passwords, you'll be able to see them here. Or if you want to look for something specific, in case you have a lot of them, you can use the search for the website or whatever it is, whatever keyword to help you to find that password, right? Now, as you can see, I have just one. And let's say I want to edit it. All I have to do, just click on it. And keep in mind that it needs an admin password. So it will require you to enter your password here. So all you have to do is just go ahead and enter your Windows password. I'm going to go ahead and do so. And once you enter the password, just simply click and enter. And from here, you will now be able to see the password. Now, if I click the I, it will allow me to see the password, right? And if I want to edit it afterwards, I can just simply click on edit and I can change the password to whatever I want and then click on save. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.